What's up guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to do a runner or a floater in NBA 2K26. Now this move is really good, especially if you're a guard or a shorter player going up against taller defenders. It helps you get a quick shot off when you don't have time to stop and shoot, or when a layup just isn't possible. So here's how to do it. When you are driving in, make sure you are not holding the turbo button, that's RT on Xbox or R2 on PlayStation. You can sprint toward the basket, but right before taking the shot, release turbo. Next, you wanna start your floater motion around the free throw line. If you try it too early, it will just end up being a regular jump shot instead. When you are in the right spot, simply pull back on the right stick, and again, don't hold turbo. That's all you need to do. Your player will perform a nice little runner or floater just like this. It's a super handy move when you are facing taller defenders and need a quick release. So yeah, that's how you do a floater in NBA 2K26. Now if it was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.